Hello children, today we are going to start our new topic, combination of pulleys. So combination of pulleys when a heavy load is to be lifted or shifted from one place to another place, we require the pulley system of the mechanical advantage much more than two. So single movable pulley is not enough, or the combination of the several pulleys with the one strong thick string is then used. So two type of the combination we can do. First type is one single fixed pulley and several movable pulley, and one more types, that is the block and tackle system. So first of all we need to know first combination system. First combination can be made by the two way. First of all we need to know one single fixed pulley and several movable pulley attached to the same rigid support. So we can see here three movable pulley we are using. Through the rigid support, one movable pulley, with this another movable pulley, with this another movable pulley, and with the string this single movable pulley is fixed with the rigid support and effort is coming in the downward direction. Okay, so here you can see here this load is in the downward direction. This load is supports with the 2T. Okay, so we can write here load is equal to 2T, and here you can see effort is supports with the T3. Understood? So now we will see that how we can calculate the mechanical advantage. Okay, so first of all we have to write E is equal to T3, because E and T3 these are. Okay, after that we can see here this load is supports with the 2T. Understood? T1. So we can write load is equal to 2T1. Understood? So we can write from here T1 is equal to L by 2. Give this equation number 1. Okay, now you can see here for case of the T2, this is supports with the only T1. So we can write here T1 is equal to 2T2. Okay, so from here T2 is equal to T1 divided by 2, and from the equation we got T1 equal to L by 2. So we can write here L by 2 divided by 2. So T2 is coming L by 2 square. Understood? After that you see here this T2 and these two are T3. So we can write here, next we can write here T2 is equal to 2T3. So here T3 is equal to T2 by 2. From the equation number 2 we got T2 value. T2 value is L by 2 square divided by 2 as it is. So we can write here T3 is equal to L by 2 to the power 3. Easy children? So in equation 3 we got T3 is equal to L by 2 3, and we got here that effort is equal to T3. Effort is equal to T3. Okay, and load from here we can get load is equal to T3 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, from here see. So mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. So load T3 into 2 to the power 3 and effort only T3. So T3 can gone. Okay, so mechanical advantage is coming 2 to the power 3. How many movable pulleys are there? 3 movable pulleys. 1, 2, 3 movable pulleys are there. So mechanical advantage is 2 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 3 is 8, which is greater than 2. Okay, so we have to do the mechanical advantage is more than 2. So now here written 2 to the power n, because how many movable pulleys are there? Only 2 to the in place of n only you put this. This is the mechanical advantage of this type of combination. Now you see velocity ratio. Velocity ratio concept is as well as same as it is, because this is for the movable pulley. If we need to know that movable pulley change the distance is d, so the L distance moved by the load is d and distance moved by the effort is 2d. Always you know that if distance moved by effort and distance moved by load for case of the movable pulley, so distance moved by load is d, so distance moved by effort is 2d, because effort is always working on the string and load is distance moved by d, and if string moved, the distance is 2d, because from two sides it can be changed, this side and this side, from two sides it can be changed. Okay, so that's why velocity ratio here given, you can see dl equal to x, so the string connecting with the axle of the beam moves the distance 2x. This way, how many pulleys are there? 3 movable pulleys are there. So for one movable pulley, effort is 2, then second movable pulley 4x, third movable pulley 8x. Understood? First movable pulley, effort, distance moved by effort 2d. Second movable pulley, distance moved by effort, second case, this is first case. Okay, second case, movable pulley 4d. Third movable pulley again 8d. Understood? 8d 8 means 2 to the power 3, 8 means 2 to the power 3 into d. Okay, 8 means 2 to the power 3 into d. So if it is only have written here, you can see, then 2 to the power 3d or 2 to the power 3x, in terms of x it has written. So effort E moves the distance 2 to the power 3x. So velocity ratio dE by dl, distance moved by effort, 2 to the power 3x divided by x, it is cutting 2 to the power 3 came, velocity ratio as it is 2 to the power 3. So efficiency, mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3, it will cut, it is coming 1 or 100%. Here written n, already you knew about that. N means how many movable pulleys are there, this only you have to write. In this combination only 3 movable pulleys are there, 1 2 3, that's why only I said instead of n you can write 3. Understood? Thank you.